export.
Well, what are we doing here?
Alright, so we got a customer's Evo 7 in here. We're going to put in some new valve springs retainers. I'm already half done the springs retainers here. So these four, now we're going to do the ones for the two middle cylinders.
What brand are these?
So these are from GSC. So upgraded honeycomb valve springs with a titanium retainer and stock. So.
And he's got a big cam. Did you already show the cam in? Or actually, no, you didn't. I don't know why I'm thinking LS. You throw the cam like under the little cam housing. Yeah.
So GSC makes a nice billet cam. Maybe I'll get your product placement in there. But just overall, like a really nice looking part. Like that doesn't belong under a valve cover. So we'll throw those things in, and then this thing is sound pretty sweet. So we got in this valve spring compressor tool from Euro Export. So it just bolts into these two holes here, and then you got another bolt that threads in and it compresses your spring. So do one here right now. And you takes the tension off the keepers there. And with the magnet, you grab your keepers, put those in a safe spot. You just pull that right out. And we got this one going in. And we'll pop these keepers back in. The best way to hold them in is just get a little bit of grease. Something just to hold it in. Yeah, it's kind of hard to film, eh?
Any tips or tricks to do this?
Literally just use grease. And a magnet like this, or something you can use to get into small spaces. There we go. I'll just hold those keepers in. That's one valve spring done. Alright, so how these keepers work is they actually have a slight taper. It's very hard to see, but then that taper fits into this retainer, and then it can't pull out. springs retainers are in, we'll toss in the cabs and then go from there. Yeah. I'm just grabbing the bolt off of the stock cam in gear so we can use them on this. Alright, so we got assembly lube on all the main contact points here. Put the rockers back on. Goes back in the spot that it came from. Your cam hits this. So when your cam rotates, it actually like spins on here. Really pretty.
You?
Yeah. Stage 2. Fancy. So, oh man, actually I forgot to coat these. Get that shot, get that angle.
Oh, flexing.
Barely. Make sure everything's well coated. Then we should be good.
That's very phallic. That's it. Cam's installed. Start the car. Let's go.
So I just put the cam caps on. We'll get those torqued down and then go from there.